Greetings my friends, Antrade here, back with another video. And trading is all about having the right system, it's all about having the right tools, and if you don't have the right support, you're definitely lacking. Today I want to show you what we have prepared with my team for you. This is a trading tool that will definitely help you in the market to generate consistent profit. It will help you not only generate that profit, but it will also help you learn, navigate the market, understand certain things, learn how to place your own trades when you're trading by yourself. It will help you understand indicators better and how to use them with each other. So this is exactly what you would need as a trader that is just coming into the market and doesn't have a lot of background in trading. This tool was specifically designed to help you achieve and hit your profit goals, and it also was designed to educate you on trading. This is everything that you need as a trader. This tool uses AI, which is a cutting edge technology, and if you're not utilizing AI right now to your advantage, you are missing out. So if you want this tool already, send me a message on Telegram at Antrade_pro, or simply join my trading group. We have plenty of things in there as well. Besides the trading robots, we have multiple trading robots of all kinds of sorts. You can trade on real market, OTC, stocks, commodities, or whatever you want. We got it for you. But we also have daily trading sessions with me and my team. You get to follow my own trades. You get to follow the trades that my team have picked and profit from them as well. We have daily tutorials for you. We have daily trade breakdown, news breakdowns, indicators breakdowns, so you will actually start surrounding yourself with the information that is helpful and useful to you every single day when you go into the market. So check it out. The link is in the description below, and let's not waste any time and jump straight into the market. Today is Saturday, so the real market is down. That means we're going to be hitting up OTC market, and if you watched my channel and you know anything about me, is that I love OTC market for its stability, for the good payouts. So let's go and get some of that money. All right, so here we have the robot on the right side, we have pocket option on the left side, and setting up this robot will take you a couple of minutes, between 3 to 5 minutes. All you need to do is simply press start on the robot, copy your ID from pocket option so it connects to your pocket option, and then the next step is to simply select the market. I'm going for OTC market today, as I said, because we're trading on Saturday, so real market is down. However, you have access to crypto OTC, stocks OTC, and commodities OTC as well. You can select any of these. I would suggest you that you go only for the ones you're familiar with, because crypto, stocks, and commodities might be a little bit volatile. So sticking to real market and OTC market should be more than enough, especially if you're just starting out. So first thing that you want to do is select the market, and we're going to go with OTC, and we are already on Euro, Great Britain, Pound. We have 92% payout, so why not just send it on here? So let's go ahead and press that. Euro, Great Britain, Pound, we select 1 minute time frame, but you have multiple time frames right there that you can trade on. Let's press start analysis, and as simple as that, we're done. The robot will do all the rest of the work, and just as simple as that, we get our trade in and we place $500 on it. And if the price goes higher, I'm gonna place more, but it seems like we're good for now. And let's look. SMA 50 trends lower with the price staying below a key resistance line. Let's add moving average. Let's change the type to 50 and SMA as it is, and you can see that we have hit the resistance line, which is in the form of moving average, and the price retested that line multiple times, and we continue our move downwards. So the analysis is in fact true, and you can see also that the screenshot that was taken here and sent to you by the robot completely replicates what we have on a chart here, so you know that the robot actually did the analysis. It uses the tools that are built into the pocket option. That is exactly why you need to connect it to your pocket option when you're starting the robot. And just like that, we're making our first profit of $460 and finishing our first trade with a blast, and that is really nice. And now we continue going and continue placing our trade, selecting OTC market again, finding our asset that we want to trade on. For example, Australian dollar, Canadian. Don't really like the situation here. Make sure that when you're looking at the charts, make sure you're not trading on sideways market. You don't want choppy chart. You don't want, just find a nice slow trending market with some movement. Like Australian dollar, Swiss franc looks like a decent one. Let's see if we have it right now. We might not actually have it, so we're gonna go to a different one. But you can see you have a list of like 20 assets that you can select from, so pick whatever you like on that one. Euro, Japanese yen is kind of, oh, this is a nice one, Euro United States dollar. Let's select it, and same process, we select one of the time frames that we have here. As you can see, we have 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10, 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day. So whatever your trading style, you can go. The higher the time frame, the safer the trade will be. Let's select 1 minute since we're doing shorter trades. Press start analysis, and let's observe what the robot thinks here that we should be doing. And in a couple of seconds, you get the analysis. Boom, buy position. Let's place $1,000 here on this buy position right now. And let's read up. The Keltner channel upper boundary is breached, supported by parabolic star below the candles. Let's add a Bollinger Bands. Oh no, it's Keltner channel actually. So let's add Keltner channel. There was a breach right here multiple times. And just like that, you see that the price starts to climb as soon as we get the analysis. The robot uses these tools that are built into the pocket option to give you the most accurate and the most up-to-date analysis. So when you're performing the analysis on 1 minute, make sure that even if you lose the trade, because those are gonna happen, I don't want to tell you that this robot will not take any losses. Sometimes you're gonna take losses. However, if you're going for another trade on the same chart, always make sure that you're performing new analysis. 1 minute situation changes really fast, and you want to make sure that you're always on top of the analysis, on top of what's going on right now in the market. Another great trade, another $900 secured for us. Let's continue our journey. Let's continue making money. Same thing, we'll once again select OTC market, and this time I want to go bigger. Let's go Great Britain pound United States dollar. Also very choppy chart, but for the purpose of this video, let's perform an analysis on this choppy chart with a lot of volatility. 1 minute, start analysis, we click it, and we are all set. Just a couple of seconds separates us from our trade. Sell position, I can get behind that. Let's place 1500 on this one, right? Bollinger Bands tighten, followed by a breakdown below the lower band, confirming bearish pressure. We can add Bollinger Bands right here. I actually almost added it on the last one, and you can see a strong candle right here, and we're definitely looking, and you can see that the channel does tighten here, so we are actually looking at exactly what is sent to us by robot, and we're looking at a strong bearish engulfing pattern. So this should be a nice trade that will secure us some solid profit. Once again, look at the screenshot, exactly what we have on the chart right here. This is what money making looks like. If you're a complete beginner, you have no idea what to do in the market, you just go in with this tool and you are guaranteed to make solid profit. The win rate of this robot is currently around 80%, so there is no mathematically possible way for you to lose money if you do money management and if you actually follow the rules of trading and do risk management as well. Another great trade. We started at 5,000, we already made over $3,000 in just a couple of minutes. So let's continue and let's maybe double our account to 10,000, and then we're gonna stop. And right now I also want to hit up, let's do crypto, right? Crypto is what's right now actually booming in the world, so let's see if we can get some money on here. Pretty low payouts. Cardano OTC might be a good one. I've never actually traded on Cardano, so let's select Cardano here, and same process every single time. It's really easy to get into this robot. It just takes you a couple of clicks. Press start analysis. Let's observe what we have here from the robot. We don't have to do anything on our own upward, so we take a buy position, and unfortunately I took it as the price spiked, so I'm gonna wait for a second to see if it goes below my entry point. If it does, I'm gonna place more, and I think it will actually get pushed down. So there it is. This is what I'm looking for, a little push back so I can place more money on my trade. MACD crosses above the signal line with momentum accelerating, indicating potential bullish pressure. We can add MACD right now. You can see that MACD line, the green line, goes above the signal line, which is the red line, and we also can add momentum to this chart. Where is it? Right there, and you can see that momentum starts to build up bullish pressure. Beautiful execution by the robot. Clean trade, another 1500 straight into a pocket with minimum effort. And this already tells me a lot what I need to learn as a beginner trader. If I go into the market and I see MACD crosses above the signal line, I add MACD to my chart and I see exactly what the robot means. I'm looking and I see the cross and I'm like, okay, this is what I'm looking for when I'm trading with MACD indicator. This is a beautiful tool. We've worked really hard on it, and just like that, we're 9.7K starting at 5K with absolute ease. This robot is available for everybody. You can get it right now, if you want to start making money and climbing steadily, I always say steady climb is much better than trying to rush yourself, trying to make quick money. This is not what we focus on here. We focus on systematic profit. And this is what you can get with this tool. So check it out. Send me a message on Telegram if you want to try it right now at Android_Pro, or click the link in the description below. I also advise you to join my trading group. I already said we have everything that you need: trading sessions, trading tutorials, chart patterns. Everything is explained nicely and easily for you, so you are gonna make solid money. Once again, I appreciate you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel if you like what you've seen. If you don't, it's all good. We're just putting out content for you to guys to delve into. And we want you to really start appreciating trading and not treating trading as gambling, but actually treating trading as something that you could do every single day and have the system in place, have some background, have some knowledge for it, and trying to actually understand what the chart is telling you before placing your trades. Once again, thank you for watching, and of course, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.